guys, it's Jessie Lipke and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making my shrimp puff shells. This is the perfect healthy snack for any get-together. It's quite literally packed with protein, flavor, and has the most satisfying crunch. Let's get started. Time to make our guac. So just start by taking your avocados and just removing them from the skins. Once you've mashed up your avocados, we can go ahead and add in some of our other ingredients. We have some red onion, diced tomatoes, cilantro, fresh lime, and a bit of salt. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need in today's recipe. So we have 300 grams of raw shrimp, which we have soaking in cold water. This is just to help to de-thaw. Then we have some rice paper, some seaweed, a few different sauces, which we're going to use to make our spicy mayo and our slaw. For our slaw, we're gonna have 1 cup of purple cabbage, as well as 1 cup of shredded carrots and some cilantro. And then of course we have our homemade guacamole, which we just prepared. So go ahead and grab all of those ingredients and let's go. So make sure to swap your cold water about every 5 minutes to help your shrimp de-thaw. Time to prepare our coleslaw. Let's start by adding in our carrots, our cabbage, cilantro, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. That's 2 teaspoons of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And mix. There we go, our coleslaw is ready. Let's pop that in the fridge. Let's prepare our spicy mayo. Start with 3 tablespoons of organic mayo, 2 tablespoons of coconut yogurt, 2 tablespoons of garlic sriracha, teaspoon of tamari or coconut aminos. This is an alternative to soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil, and mix. Now that our shrimp is thawed, we're going to bring our pan to medium-high heat. Once your pan is nice and hot, we're gonna add a drizzle of olive oil. Now add in your shrimp. And a pinch of salt. Now we're just gonna cook this until our shrimp are nice and pink. So I'm happy with the color on my shrimp. I'm now gonna remove them. Now we are going to coarsely chop our shrimp. As I prepare my shells, I'm just going to pop my shrimp in the oven on very low, just to keep these nice and warm while we get those shells going. It's time to make our puff shells, so we're gonna go ahead and bring our pan to high heat. Throw in. All right, let's add our spicy mayo into our shrimp. See, this is exactly why we only had to season with salt, because now we have that beautiful mayo covering this. We can now go ahead and fill our puff shells. I'm gonna start by adding a spoon of guacamole. I'm gonna add some of our coleslaw. Last but not least, our shrimp and our black sesame seeds. Listen to that beautiful crunch.
So good.
That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.